AI-CE is an AI solution that enables object recognition, drawing regeneration, and quantity takeoff based on image and drawing data, helping users work faster with greater accuracy. When you upload an image file of a floor plan to AI-CE, the AI server automatically recognizes the information within the drawing. The results can be reviewed directly inside CAD, where objects such as walls, windows, and doors are automatically classified into layers. Each class can be individually toggled on or off, allowing users to view only the required information. Using AI-CE's image model, image-based drawings can be converted into actual CAD data. To generate an accurate scaled drawing, the system calculates the distance between 2 points in the image along with the actual dimension input to apply the correct scale. The drawing is regenerated based on AI-recognized objects, while numerical values and layer data can be manually adjusted if needed. AI-CE also supports drawings in DWG and DXF formats for data classification. After enabling AI recognition, the uploaded DWG data is converted into image format, separated by layers, and transmitted to the AI server for processing. The AI returns object positions and classification results based on predefined class information for each layer. AI-CE enables automatic quantity takeoff based on object information in both image mode and DWG mode. The calculated results can be directly applied to Excel files or CAD drawings. AI CAD integrates the entire design process from drawing management to automated 3D BIM quantity takeoff, delivering a smarter and more precise design environment for the future.